Hello, Addison. Come on, let's go walk this way. You want to show off how you walk? Whoop. Yeah, like that? Well, watch where your step is. You're okay. You're good. Go ahead. What's wrong? What's wrong? Slow down. What are you doing? Where's the dog toy? Go get Doggy's bone. Good job. Where's Doggy? Where's Doggy? Jesus. Where's Doggy? Okay, easy, easy, Travis. Easy. Give Doggy his toy. Easy. Easy. Yeah, you got dog toy. Travis. Travis, leave it. Good job. Good throw. Travis, get your toy. Yeah, don't put that in your mouth. That's yucky. Thank you. Ready? Okay, Travis, go get it. Where did Doggy go? Go get your toy, Travis. Bring it back. Yuck. No, Addison.